Hey everyone, welcome back to Techzes, the place where we unlock the secrets to make your tech life better. Today we've got something really exciting for you. We're going to delve into the art of using your cell phone the right way. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, strap in tight because we're about to hit the drive into the heart of phone wizardry. Let's go! First things first, let's delve into the nitty-gritties. It might seem like a given, but becoming acquainted with your phone is paramount. From familiarizing yourself with the basic buttons to comprehending your operating system, it forms the bedrock of using it effectively. Now that we've covered this, let's slide smoothly into our next topic of discussion. Dive right into the complex world of settings with us. We're going to tweak, tune, adjust, and adapt until your phone is operating like a finely tuned machine. Our journey includes optimizing display brightness, modifying notification preferences, and my personal favorite settings which are guaranteed to elevate your phone usage. Buckle up, for we're about to embark on a thrilling ride into the realm of phone customization. Now, as we leave the familiar behind, brace yourself for a dynamic transition to the unknown terrains of phone customization. Is your home screen a chaotic mess? Fear not. We'll discuss the art of organizing your apps for quick and easy access. A well-organized home screen can save you time and frustration. One of the biggest challenges we all face is battery life. Stick around for some practical tips and tricks to maximize your battery life and keep your phone juiced up throughout the day. Now fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the world of technology to empower your digital life. Stay tuned. Did you know your phone has a ton of shortcuts that can save you time? I'll share some of my favorite hidden gems that will have you navigating your device like a pro. So buckle up, fasten your seatbelt, and prepare for a wild ride into the world of smartphone magic. Your phone is a treasure trove of personal information, so let's talk security. From fingerprint recognition to two-factor authentication, we'll explore the best practices to keep your data safe and sound. Now, prepare for a secure transition as we delve deeper into the world of cyber protection. It's easy to ignore those update notifications, but they're crucial. I'll explain why keeping your phone's software up to date is essential for both performance and security. As we journey into the digital future, let's delve deeper into understanding the importance of regular software updates. And there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to use your cell phone the right way. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. As always, I'm signing off. Stay tech savvy.